And there we go. Soeb Thai has been absolutely brilliant. And he cleans up Hansard Hamilton. It's a wicket maiden. Playing a miss from the amount of runs being put up here throughout the season. This one in the air from Paul Palmer. It's a good shot. It's a very good shot from Paul Palmer. One deliveries. Oh, very nicely played. Very nicely played. I mentioned he's more of a strong lead the side for 2024. He's a complete player. His Sonny can do it all. Pulled away from Paul Palmer. And he goes away to the boundary. Cut away from Paul Palmer. Finds the gap. My goodness. Operating here to Paul Palmer. Nicely worked away. Well, a bit of fortune now. In fact, no, he's taken on the pad. Simhadri asking the question. Not out, says the umpire. Works this one away. That'll be 4. In the air. Not long enough. So Shaifuddin has to depart. Slow. Try looking to get off the mark right away. Direct hit. What a bit of fielding that is. Other than that, there wasn't the best economy rates or some of the best bowling figures. In 106 will be required for victory. So Amila comes back, and what a grab that is! That slip. And another one. So Amila Aponzo. Big shot from Aaron Chenshu, and it's gone a long way back. Capitalize. That bit of momentum goes again. This one looked like it came off the bat even better. And the result stays the same. Back-to-back 6. Down the ground. This is lovely from Aaron Chenshu. 6 more. My goodness. Pulled away again. More runs here for Aaron Chenshu. It's gone away. Considering he got the double strike and hasn't bowled back since. That one has been hammered but taken. A brilliant catch out in the deep. Stephen Taylor gets the wicket. Aaron Chenshu has to go. Shazad is back. Big shot. And it's gone a long way for 6 from Prasad Murthy. Has stuck. Oh, well, is that spectacular? It is. It's Stephen Taylor again. And it's the combination of Aponzo and Taylor working. Gets this one away. It'll run away to the boundary. So a much needed boundary. Oh, has he gotten the edge? Yes, he has. Abdullah Quadri strikes back in some fashion, is hit for a boundary, and then gets Cricket Championship. Zia Shazad will finish up. And it's gone straight up in the air. Should be an easy chance, and it's taken. So another wicket falls here. Zia Shazad strikes. Sunny Patel, the captain of the Atlanta Lightning, has to go. Very good knock. It was Aaron Chenshu, just didn't push on. Carved up and over. That's a very good shot from T20 to win from 16. Chavo, we've seen a boundary from him. Down the ground, full toss in the end. It eludes everything, including handshake. 16 to win from 15. In the air, down the ground, over. Abdullah Quadri will run in here. Chavo on 24. Clips this one away, and that'll do it. So down the track, into the leg side, and Chaitanya Chava will seal the victory for the Atlanta Lightning. It wasn't easy in the end. They lost a fair bit of wickets, 7 down, and in the 19th over. But in the end, they are able to get through in the end. What an innings from Chaitanya. Stephen Taylor was very busy. Aponzo as well.
2024 Minor League Cricket Championship presented